This product adopts a highly durable integrated bed structure. Rotating diameter 700 millimeters, processing diameter 510 millimeters, processing length 520 millimeters. The intelligent numerical control system is configured. Its main shaft rotational speed is 4,300 revolutions per minute. Direct drive synchronous electric spindle, high rigidity and high torque, better smoothness, more precise division. The machine works very well without any let up. From feeding to the finished products, realizes automatic and efficient mass production perfectly. We are your partner for providing excellent returns on investment with special metalworking solutions.